Imagine this. You're sitting in a small town in Punjab or Gujarat. Around you, there are whispers about somebody who made it to America. You hear numbers being tossed around 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, even 50 lakh rupees paid to shady agents. Now, these individuals cross jungles, rivers, desert, risking their entire lives just for a chance to step onto American soil. It sounds like something out of a movie, but it is happening right now, every single day. The scale of this phenomena is staggering. According to the U.S Custom and Border Protection, that too in 2024 alone, over 97,000 Indians were caught crossing illegally into the U.S., the highest number ever recorded. Out of these, about 80% attempted to enter through dangerous routes like the U.S Mexico border. Investigations show that each Indian migrant is paying between 30 to 50 lakh rupees, roughly $35,000 to $60,000, and that too to fraudulent agents for this dangerous journey. Altogether, this illegal migration business has ballooned into an industry worth $360 million, and that too every year, and it is still growing. At this point, a simple but powerful question arises. If somebody can pay 40 lakh rupees to smugglers, why can't they just invest 40 lakh rupees in themselves instead? What could 40 lakh rupees achieve within India? Well, the answer is quite a lot. With 40 lakh rupees, one could start a small business, whether it's opening a retailer shop, a cafe, or even a franchisee of a brand like Domino's in India, whose basic franchisee model starts about 30 to 50 lakh rupees. Now, for those with even more entrepreneurial spirit, industries like solar panel installation, EV charging station, or digital services offer opportunities where startups cost typically ranging from 10 lakh rupees to 30 lakh rupees. Even smaller investments like 5 or 15 lakh rupees in digital marketing or IT services can turn into a very profitable venture. Beyond business, 40 lakh rupees could be used to buy a decent apartment or a small plot of land in many cities across India. This could provide a steady rental income of 10,000 to 25,000 rupees per month. Alternatively, investing in education could open doors to high-paying careers. An MBA from a prestigious Indian institution costs about 20 to 25 lakh rupees, and a certification in booming fields like artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, or data science are available for as little as 1 to 5 lakh rupees, with potential salary crossing 10 lakh rupees annually. When we compare the two options side by side, paying 40 lakh rupees to illegal agents versus investing the same amount in India, the differences are stark. Those choosing the illegal route face brutal conditions, trekking through desert, hiding from border patrol, living underground without legal status, facing legal detention and deportation. Meanwhile, those invest in India can build legal business, create job, earn respect, and provide security for their families. One path is full of fear and instability. The other leads to dignity and growth. But despite all these opportunities in India, why do people still risk everything to go abroad illegally? Well, one major reason is social pressure. In many Indian villages, anybody who reaches America by any means is celebrated. No one asks how they got over there. The myth of instant riches in America also plays a big role. Many believe that life in the US automatically means wealth, even though the reality for illegal migrants is often very tough. Long working hours, low-paying jobs, washing dishes, working at gas stations, or living under constant fear of deportation. Fraudulent agents make things worse by selling dreams and lies. Visa guaranteed, green card in 2 years, high salary ready, none of which are actually true. A deep lack of financial literacy also contributes here. Many simply don't realize that 40 lakh rupees, if invested wisely in India, could give them far better returns without risking their life and freedom. There are real-life examples to prove this. In 2023, a 23-year-old from Punjab paid about 42 lakh rupees to an agent trying to reach the US. He was caught by US Border Patrol, spent 6 miserable months in the detention center, and was eventually deported. His family lost not just their money, but their land, their life savings as well. In the meantime, a 24-year-old from Haryana chose a different path. He used 35 lakh rupees just to start a solar business in Karnal. Today, he is earning 1.2 lakh rupees per month, legally, safely, and with pride. Now think for yourself. Would you risk your entire life trekking through snake-infected jungles, hiding from police and eating scraps, or use that same amount of money to build a secure future for your family right here in India? The 40 lakh rupees is already available. The only missing thing is the right decision.